You would like to receive EFSA news and alerts that are relevant for you, but you don't know which content you should choose and how to subscribe. Today, we will go through the different tailored communications available for you and explain how you can easily subscribe to them. If you would like to read curated editorial contents and stay up to date with the latest items posted on our website, our newsletter, EFSA Highlights, is what you're looking for. By subscribing, you will receive monthly editions that include articles, infographics, news, publications, and events. In order to subscribe, go to the EFSA website and click on the link Newsletters and Email Alerts. The footer will redirect you to the subscription form. Here, enter the email address on which you would like to receive the newsletter and select EFSA Highlights as a subscription type. Then scroll down, provide your consent for the subscription and click on the Subscribe button. Finally, you will receive an email asking to confirm your subscription. After doing so, your subscription will be completed and you will receive the next available newsletter. If you would like to receive specific updates on one or more scientific subject areas, you will opt for the alerts instead. You will be able to select the area you are interested in and the specific content type. To do so, you will fill in the same subscription form as before, but this time you will select Daily Alerts. Tick your areas of interest and desired content types, such as events, news, scientific outputs, and more. In both cases, you can select multiple categories or even all of them. You can create different combinations. For instance, if you're interested in receiving news about plant health only, you will select plant health as a subject area and news as content type. Then again, provide consent and click on the subscription button. A confirmation email will finalize your subscription. This was an overview of the EFSA news and alerts available to you and how to subscribe. We went through the newsletter and the alerts separately, but remember you can also subscribe to both of them and you remain free to unsubscribe at any time. We hope you find this video useful, but feel free to let us know what you think in the comments. See you soon for the next one. Stay tuned.